you are going to be a strategic leader, that you are going to help organizations to grow and meet the challenges coming up in the future. So anyone with a bachelor's degree can walk into this program, and we will make sure that you get your knowledge and you can meet those challenges that's waiting ahead for the future leaders. This is more of a management program focused on digital mindset, and we wanted to ensure people meet the future challenges, learn those new skills. And we're driven to make decisions based on data. So that is something you will learn here. And what they learn in the classroom will be applied outside of the classroom. Capstone project will give you that opportunity to work with our local businesses. It's not something like you read a case study and saying somebody has done something and you are kind of interpreting it, but you're actually solving a problem with your own hands. That is the heavy weight that you're going to have it on your resume. And that will take you a long way in your career path. When you come out from this program, you will have a better understanding of what's happening. What is this new technology? What is artificial intelligence could do? As a leader, you are not just simply leading a company or a group of people. You are actually being looked at as a person who is doing the right thing for the people around you.